Hi, this is Mahmoud, and today I'm going to show you how to flip your basement from this to this. First thing first, I had to put the sheetrock to cover the studs. That is how the hallway looks like before the remodeling. I put the mud to cover the joints. The first coat of the paint is the primer. I didn't know how to do the stairs, so I tried my best. But that's how it looks like after I finished it. This part, because it's so tiny, I did not put the sheetrock or studs, so I just covered the blocks with the cement. Then I put a mud over the cement. Now is the time for the second coat of the paint. So because the ceiling is white, I did the edge of the wall with a brush, so I don't mess up the ceiling. And because the walls are not straight, so I had to measure the tile and doing the cuts before laying the tiles. This piece is in the middle, so I try to cut it perfect so it looks nice. The other side was higher, so I brought it down a little bit. I'm doing the stairway now, and there is like very old wall, so I don't want to take this old sheetrocks out. What I will do, I will put a new one at the top of the old one and paint it. Let's see how it's going to be. And this time I put the sheetrocks over the old sheetrocks. Then I put mud to cover the joints. Now the time for the paint. Now is the last step before the last coat of painting, which is the rubber. I used rubber baseboards. It is very easy to do. The last thing you want to do is the way to the basement or to the studio. You have to change the door. Ta-da! And that's how it's look after I finished everything. This is Mahmoud Ibrahim, and as always, thanks for watching.